Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make all letters smaller in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer. Searchable type tool. Text color black. Okay, then type. Hold shift for type text or uppercase, and do not hold shift. Then type text or lowercase, and hold shift for type ABCD. Press space. Go to type panels, show character panel, then show this character panel and see this upper to lower small caps. Click here, then type lower again. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.